You can see this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use, guys. Now this application is full of ads, so do keep that in mind. So on the home screen we do have the option to move around. You can check the days of when matches played today, matches that are going to play the next day, or matches that have been played before. And you can all of us see live matches as well. So you can see here, can pretty much see the live matches section, and as well you can tap on the more section or see more option to get a better view. So while I'm getting to the application, I'm going to encounter a lot of ads, guys. This is bombarded with a bunch of ads. So I'm going to tap on X here. So once you have done that, you'll pretty much be able to get a better view of the live matches option that they have given you. Nothing much, just pretty much this layout here. And as well, you can pretty much tap on, let's say, the matches and pretty much see the statistics of the match. So once you have pretty much exhausted the ads, as you can see here, kickoff, the match started, the statistics, you can pretty much see much on this here. Only thing you'll be able to see is the table, and for this, it doesn't show anything. So this application is, I would say, downright just full of ads. The only thing that is pretty much working on this application is it telling you the match's score, nothing much. But the application is just full of ads. Every navigation you go through or anything that you want to select, you're going to encounter ads. So I've seen it on the Play Store as the #1 sporting app or sports app. And that is just crazy. So it's really pretty much out. I wouldn't recommend you using the application, but however, if you want to check it out, it's in the description. And yeah, that's really pretty much it for this video. So see you guys in the next one.